everyone. Y'all know how much I love creating inviting and cozy spaces, and that includes our backyards. Creating a beautiful and functional backyard doesn't require a massive budget or professional help. With some creativity and a bit of elbow grease, you can transform your outdoor space into an inviting oasis. Whether you're looking for a peaceful retreat or a fun gathering place for friends and family, there are so many ways to enhance your backyard without breaking the bank. We've got some really inspiring ideas to get those wheels turning. So get ready to transform your backyard into your very own slice of paradise. Here are 43 can-do upgrades that will enhance your backyard, making it a perfect place for relaxation, entertainment, and enjoyment. Let's get started.
String lights, lanterns, or solar lights cast a magical glow after dark, creating a warm ambience.
A pergola defines a space while offering shade and adorned with climbing plants. It's simply enchanting.
Planting a vegetable garden provides fresh produce and the joy of watching things grow.
Chapter 7. Create a cozy seating area. Invest in comfy outdoor furniture where you can relax with a glass of tea and good conversation.
Chapter 8. Swing away stress. A swinger hammock is the perfect spot to unwind with a good book or enjoy a peaceful afternoon nap.
Chapter 9. Elevated garden beds. Raised garden beds add visual interest and make gardening easier on the back.
Chapter 10. Create a dedicated BBQ station for grilling and outdoor dining with friends and family. Chapter 11. Enjoy meals outdoors under a canopy or gazebo, creating a magical dining experience.
Chapter 12. Use lattice, bamboo, or tall plants to create a sense of privacy and intimacy in your backyard.
Chapter 13. Backyard fun for kids. A sandbox, swing set, or playhouse transforms your backyard into an adventure land for kids.
Chapter 14. DIY outdoor bar. Repurpose an old table or counter into a charming outdoor bar for entertaining guests.
Chapter 15. Extend the growing season. A small greenhouse allows you to grow plants year-round, no matter the weather.
Chapter 16. Mural magic. A vibrant mural on a fence or wall injects personality and color into your outdoor space. Just imagine the transformation.
Chapter 17. A bird sanctuary. Attract beautiful birds to your backyard with feeders, houses, and a refreshing bird bath. It's a delightful way to bring nature closer to home.
Chapter 18. Tree bench serenity. A circular bench around a tree creates a shady sanctuary for reading or simply enjoying nature. It's the perfect spot to unwind.
Chapter 19. Outdoor rug comfort. An outdoor rug adds color, defines spaces, and makes your patio cozier. Chapter 20. Efficient drip irrigation. A drip irrigation system conserves water while keeping your plants happy and hydrated. Chapter 21. Zen Garden Retreat. Create a peaceful Zen garden with rocks, sand, and minimalist plants for meditation.
Chapter 22. Hot tub luxury. A hot tub is the ultimate backyard indulgence for relaxation and unwinding under the stars.
Chapter 23. Vertical elegance. Trellises provide support for beautiful climbing plants, adding height and texture.
Chapter 24. Tidy garden shed. A garden shed keeps tools organized and provides a dedicated
surrounded by calming elements and lush greenery.
Chapter 26. An outdoor shower is both practical and refreshing, especially after a swim or a day at the beach.
Chapter 27. Brighten up your outdoor space with colourful blooms cascading from charming window boxes. Chapter 28. A rock garden with drought-tolerant plants adds unique texture and visual interest.
Chapter 29. Create a whimsical treehouse retreat for reading, daydreaming, or enjoying a cup of coffee.
Chapter 30. The soothing sound of water trickling from a fountain enhances relaxation. Chapter 31. Butterfly Garden Beauty. Attract beautiful butterflies with colourful nectar-rich flowers, adding movement and life. Chapter 32. Vertical Gardening Wonders. Maximize space with a vertical garden, growing herbs, flowers, or even vegetables.
Chapter 33. Stone patio durability. A stone patio adds a touch of elegance and provides a durable space for furniture.
Chapter 34. A small reflecting pool creates a sense of calm and adds a touch of visual magic.
Chapter 35. A pizza oven elevates outdoor cooking, making delicious pizzas and other culinary creations.
Chapter 36. Plant fragrant flowers and herbs like lavender and rosemary to awaken your senses.
Chapter 37. DIY Gazebo Charm. A charming gazebo provides a shady retreat and adds a touch of elegance to your backyard.
Chapter 38. Waterfall Relaxation. A waterfall creates a dramatic focal point and its soothing sound enhances relaxation.
Chapter 39. Backyard Sports Fun. Designate an area for outdoor games like badminton or volleyball for fun with friends and family.
Chapter 40. A trellis archway creates a magical entryway, adorned with beautiful climbing plants.
Chapter 41. Outdoor kitchen convenience. An outdoor kitchen with a grill, sink, and prep area makes outdoor cooking a breeze.
Chapter 42. Garden Bridge Whimsy. A small bridge adds a touch of whimsy and guides you over a pond or dry creek bed.
Chapter 43. Movie night under the stars. Set up a screen and projector for magical movie nights with family and friends.
Transforming your backyard into a personal haven doesn't have to be overwhelming. These 43 can-do upgrades offer something for everyone, no matter the size of your outdoor space. Imagine enjoying cozy evenings by the fire pit, the gentle sound of water from your fountain, or the joy of harvesting fresh veggies from your garden. You can create a space that reflects your style and brings you joy. So gather your tools, embrace your inner DIY spirit, and get ready to enjoy the fruits of your labor in your very own backyard oasis. Happy upgrading. Thank you so much for watching the Lifestyle Bliss channel. If you enjoyed this video, found some valuable ideas, and want to see more content like this, please hit that like button and share it with your friends. It really helps the channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll know exactly when a new video is posted. Your support means the world to us, and we're excited to bring you even more great content. Until next time, stay inspired and exploring, play win-win games towards a more fulfilling and blissful lifestyle. bless your hearts, and see you in the next video.